Kia's suite of advanced driving assistance features may include forward safety, forward cross-traffic safety, blind spot safety, and more. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, or FCA, is designed to detect vehicles, bicyclists, and pedestrians ahead and may warn you of a possible collision. Forward safety is one component of FCA. It is designed to provide a warning and may provide braking assistance when the risk of a forward collision is detected. To enable forward safety, from the infotainment system home screen, select Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Safety, and enable forward safety. To adjust the warning timing, set forward safety warning timing to standard or late. Lane safety is designed to automatically assist with steering to help prevent the vehicle from leaving its lane. Blind Spot View Monitor displays the blind spot view in the instrument cluster when operating the turn signal. Blind Spot Safety is designed to provide a warning when a vehicle detected is approaching your blind spot and the risk of a collision is detected. The system may also provide braking assistance when departing a parallel parking spot. Safe Exit is designed to provide a warning when an approaching vehicle is detected in the vehicle's blind spot and is designed to keep the doors locked when the driver or passengers attempt to exit the vehicle. To adjust or enable warning methods for the driver assistance systems, on the infotainment system home screen, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and select Warning Method or the speaker button. Here you can adjust the warning volume, enable haptic warning, lane safety audible warning off, driving safety priority, and parking safety priority. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching.